Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we will remake Yummy Yum by Justin Bieber. I don't know why I am making this video. This track is so simple but at the same time it is so unique. It took me 30 minutes to make the whole thing. Now let's stop talking and dive straight into the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos like these. Now let's start with the piano. This song has only 2 chords. Let's have a look. Now, let's have a look at the drums. And that's it. Just make some arrangements here and there, and you're done. Now call Justin Bieber to sing on it. Haha, I am still wondering. Just 2 chords, some drum beats, and Bieber talking about his sex life will make him earn millions of dollars. He deserves it though. I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know in the comments section below if you liked the video. I will see you guys next time. Let's hear the final result.